What's going on, everybody? My name is Josh, and if you're into auto detailing or just automotive stuff in general, you may want to consider subscribing. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your pressure washer to make your life a whole lot easier when washing a car or just pressure washing in general. My particular pressure washer is a Sunjo 4004 model, and I'll be upgrading it to a 50-foot kink-resistant hose as well as a quick connect system. I'll put some Amazon links in the video description to the hose and fittings that I went with, just in case any of you guys are interested in upgrading as well. Our package just arrived. Let's see what we got. We have our 50-foot Roypower kink-resistant hose, and it also came with 2 quick connect couplers as well as 2 quick connect fittings. If you have a pressure washer with a 14mm opening, then this will get you where you need to be. If you have a Sunjo or any other pressure washer that has a 15mm, you will need 2 15mm to 14mm adapters. Again, I'll put a link in the video description to everything you'll need. To start off with, it's pretty simple. We're going to screw our quick connect coupler onto each end of the hose. Next, in my case, I'll need to attach the 15mm to 14mm adapter to the outlet of the pressure washer. After that, we can screw on our 14mm quick connect fitting. And now we can attach the hose. I'll attach another 15 to 14mm adapter to the pressure washer gun itself. Following that, once again, I'll need to install a 14mm quick connect fitting. Now we can attach the hose to the pressure washer gun. Just remember, if your pressure washer has a 14mm fitting, then you will not need the adapters. Next on the list is to grab the one that came with your pressure washer and throw it in the garbage where it belongs. Here it is, all hooked up and ready to go. It does come with some pipe thread tape, but I saw the fittings had O-rings, so I chose not to use any. And it was leak-free without it. Here's a look at the hose. It's so much nicer than the one that came with it. It rolled right out and didn't tangle. Now you should be able to wash a whole car without moving the pressure washer. Here's a look at the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope that if anybody was interested in upgrading their pressure washer, especially a Sunjo where you need the adapters, that this video will help you along the way. If you've already upgraded your pressure washer, let us know in the comments below what hose and what fittings you decided to go with. I want to say thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day, and please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Peace!